In this video, we will discuss tillage as a cultural control practice to control insect pests. So what is tillage? Tillage is the preparation of land for growing crops. Tillage is basically the manipulation of soil surface which creates favorable conditions for the growth of agricultural plants. It can be performed with the help of a tractor, a harrow, or a disc plow. It basically turns the soil surface, breaks up the soil clods, and it removes the weeds and debris, due to which it makes easier for the rain and irrigation to reach the root zone of the plants. So it changes the physical, biological, and chemical qualities of the soil, which enables seed germination and optimal growth of the seedlings. So how does tillage affects the insect pests? It basically increases the mortality rate and decreases the reproductive potential of insect pests in the agricultural or vegetable crops. So how is this achieved? This is achieved by the increased density of insect pest predators or their natural enemy populations, and it results in the growth of healthy plants, due to which there are better plant defense mechanisms against these insect pests and the modified physical characteristics of agricultural habitats. All these factors contribute to the control of insect pests. So tillage of the soil basically prepares the soil for it acts as a seed bed for the germination of seed. It kills the seed weeds, and it incorporates the nutrients and manage the crop residues. So the basic goal of tillage system is to provide a proper environment for seed germination and the growth of seedlings. So for example, many grasshoppers and field crickets, these are the pests of agricultural crops. So these pests lay eggs in the upper layers of soil, almost 7 to 10 centimeters of soil. So if plowing bring the eggs of these insect pests to the surface, from where these are picked up by their predators or die of desiccation. Another example is of pink bollworms and spotted bollworms. These are the pests of cotton. So if these worms are buried deep down in the soil, by plowing, so they cannot emerge and cannot damage the crop. So after plowing, the insects as well as their eggs are exposed to the soil surface, from where their predators, birds like crows, mynas, and starlings, pick up the insects as well as their eggs. And common examples include the hibernating species. In the soil, like cotton semilooper, cutworms, and lucerne caterpillars. These are brought up to the upper layer of the soil or are exposed by blowing, and then their bird predators pick up these insects. By the exposure of these insect pests, the predator pressure on their populations increases, and in this way, tillage helps in controlling the insect pests.